Capping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut dope like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Capping like the narco.
Hi vlog, good morning. It is, I don't even know what day it is. I think it's the 12th of September. It's my papa's birthday. So just say happy birthday to Papa in the comment section. We're at school. I just left up my phone because it was always on the ground with that phone. But the girl today it started. I'm gonna put the plate up in first and foremost. After I put this plate up, I'm gonna go to the financial aid office and talk to the lady again that I talked to on Friday so I can pay my student loan off. I'm gonna show you how to put these two plates together because these not the exact plates that I need because they already got stuff on there. I don't know how to put them together. We gonna put them together. And then I gotta tie my hair up too, so I'm gonna show you how I do all that. So I haven't asked this old man what his name is, and that's kind of like disrespectful because you know me and you know my name, and I don't even remember your name. Oh, this is how I did my hair for school this week, so it won't be in my way. But check this out. That's where it goes. We're gonna take our handy dandy tight scarf. And there we have it. And now we have to tack these plates and put them up here. Alrighty. We know more safety glasses in this. And one thing I do need to work on is my cursing. So by the time I do get monetized, I won't have to edit so much out. So we're just gonna work on our profanity and y'all hold me accountable from this day forward to stop cursing as much in my videos. Alright y'all, so this is how my weld is looking. This is the last row and that's the first like. As you guys can see, like I'm doing it, but my lines need to be a little more sharp and consistent. Because as you guys see, it's like humps and bumps and dumps. So I'm gonna just try to do it on the back side and see what we can do. My beginning been good, my end been bad, but my ending look kind of good. So we're gonna see, you know, take this as a fucking grade. Alright y'all, so this I passed, I got a grade for my other beam. This is called a bevel plate. As you see, it's like a little splint. And I got a new rod, different rod with green stripes on there. And this is called a 60-10 rod. So we use 60-10 rod and 70-18 rod for this. Everybody say hello to Cynthia. So you're gonna work on like this, right? So the first thing you're gonna face it down, make sure the level is facing it. And then you want to face them. So I'm because my thing's so sloppy. I think I already grind it down. Yeah. Okay, so like that. And then with the 60-10, you're gonna hold it with one hand, and then you're gonna weld it together right here. So how you roll it like a straight line, or you go like, no, you're just gonna do one like this, like a pack. Yeah. So you're gonna go like this, and then like this, and then you're gonna pick it up, put it on the other side, and then you're gonna tack it on this side. You're gonna tack it right here. Right? Was them already tacked together? Like how you do horizontal, and then you use the same 60-10, and then you horizontal with this and then back vertical. You on vertical? Yeah, horizontal and vertical. I got I was wondering what that was. And so I would just put it in the middle and then I put my hand to make her hold it. Yeah. Then change your amps to 90. To 70. Oh, for this? Yeah, because you're gonna have a little bit of trouble with the 6010 because it's different. It works different. So it's gonna keep sticking. So when I run the 8010, I'm supposed to put it at 70. But when I run fucking 7010, I'm supposed to put it at 90. Yeah. So the back side you're only doing 2 taps, right? And then the front side you're doing 1 tap, the 6010, and then that's all you use in the rest. 70, 90. Alright. Okay, I got it. Oh, she got some fire. What? I'm gonna just watch you. Okay. So you ready? To weld? Sure, yeah, we ready to weld. Okay, that's on fire. Yeah, that's what that one does. That one's gonna be more tedious to work with. That rod. So, like, how would I get it to go across? You just have to drag the spacing for it. What you want to tell me? Hey, you want to tell me too? You want to tell me too? I got 2 helpers. You good? You can get all the help you can get. It takes a village. Now I gotta adjust it. Alright, so now what you want to do? So you're gonna, you know how you saw that light up on fire? What's supposed to do this? So when you're running your line, you want the fire to be coming out on this side. Right. If it's coming out towards you, you want to put it over here. Yeah. So I'm just going in between this little space. Yep. I don't have to worry about doing that. No, just go straight and follow the beam. Yeah. And then if you see like if you're going and it's like eating too much of it, like it's burning up all the metal, what I do is I go and then I come back and then I go and I come back. Just to fill it in. Do you like once you go you stop or you just go back? No, like if you can just go straight forward, do that. But if you're having a problem with like, because it'll just brush me out, it's gonna burn like a hole sometimes. I'm not supposed to run this step. Yeah. So let me go turn my thing right now. So you just do 1 pass, and then you go to 70. Alright, so basically I'm supposed to run in the middle straight, and the fire's supposed to go out on the opposite side. So that's how I know I'll be doing right. So y'all should be able to see flames coming out that side. Let's see. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's go. It's break time. Oh, it's break time. You're not set. Hey.
Bro, try this.
No, I haven't tried yet. What you want? I just want one. Looks like
The flamethrower. Flamethrower right there, bro. August ran a demo for me for the fire. Yeah, bro.
So it's break time for us?
Yeah.
Let me go eat there. It's funny because I never really showed y'all how like the inside like really looks. Good morning, y'all. It is Thursday, September 14th, I believe. Don't quote me. But I'm currently at school and I just got done setting up my station. And I have my pebble plates right here. I have my 16 rod right here. And I have my 17, 18 rod right there. What I've been thinking is starting next week is I'm going to be in phase 2 of my welding session, and that's going to be 6. I think I'm going to come in with a different approach and kind of show y'all more in depth about what I'm really doing instead of just like regular and vlog. So today and tomorrow is my last day just to regular vlog again because I think I need to have a different approach when that comes to showing y'all or bring y'all in my new world. I'm gonna try to get started on this new concept that I'm learning. I don't remember the other name, but I'm gonna see if my instructor can run like a demo for me, and then. But first, I'm gonna tag them together. I'm gonna type them together and try to do what I can. Then ask them for a demo and see if you want to do that. I'm gonna just come back on here whenever I have some type of progression and tell y'all what's really going on, so y'all can understand more. Yeah. So let's get started with putting these two plates together. And these are pebble plates because it has this little slant, as you guys see, a little shiny slant. Yeah, it has some slants on there. So let's see. And yesterday I was watching a video, but I don't know if it was on this exact thing I'm working on, but that was a video similar and they just said stitch it, so go back and forth to go over to fill it. Now it's time to attach it to this. Yeah, made me tacked on. Now that it's tacked on, it's time to try to fill in the side. And what I was told, that fire comes out that side. Okay, that's not so bad. Y'all just have to go back and like feel that side and feel the rest of it. I don't know if I'm supposed to chip away the slag, but we just gonna try to chip away the slag and see what it do. Time to fill it in here. And y'all see, that's how much I got it done. But I'm gonna just come back once I got it done. Alright, y'all. So this is my first time filling in the filler plate. As you guys see, I kind of got the hang of it in the middle there, but I was having a complication towards the end, and I accidentally belted it off. Right here, it has to build it right back up. So right now, we're about to go in and fill this with a 7018 rod, and then we're just gonna do our horizontal lines all the way up throughout the plate. The whole time I'm forgetting I'm supposed to turn the damn amperage back up tonight. Hold on, y'all. Alright, y'all. Right now I'm about to go back and fill it in with it back on 90. Then I'm going to show y'all the first structure, then I'm going to time lapse the rest. It's not the best of all feel, but remind y'all, this is my first time. So, we gonna see how my horizontal lines have improved. Let's see how good I can get these lines straight. And yes, I will be going over that one more time when I finish the whole plate. So y'all, this is my finished plate. I just did some horizontal lines over my pelvic plate. And here go my back. And so I was told that we're supposed to edge it, but remind y'all, this is the phase 105 that we're supposed to start next week. And I kind of just did this based off what I believe is best. So I'm gonna take this home so I can use this backside one of these good old days. And I'm gonna clean up my station and head home. So yeah, I'm about to clean up right now, and I will see y'all tomorrow when I arrive to school, because as y'all can tell, the day is over with, and I haven't really been doing nothing since I already passed my first course with an A. So congrats to the Dawn. Congrats to me. Yep.
Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego.